If you are done with your work for the day, wish to quit and return another time, you can choose to save the current schematic and ADE Explorer windows and their locations, which you can restore later. From the options menu, you choose Save Session. This brings up a form in the same name. In this form, specify a file name and it is of the type .save. This has got a default file name. You can even choose to save it in whichever location you want to. And then to restore the save session on the command line, you can enter this command virtuoso-restore with the name of the file. The schematic in the ADE windows that were active at the time of the session save are restored. Alternatively, you can even enter this load command in the CIW input field. Your restored session will be added to the existing session, but no existing windows close.